Welcome. In front of me I have the Huawei Scale 3 Pro, and I'll just go over unboxing of this product today. So forgive me for this kind of cramped little shot right here. I literally have no way to actually show more. So bear with me while I try to fiddle around this problem. So anyway, let's just pop it straight open. We do have a little seal right here. There we go. So we have couple little images right here, what we're supposed to apparently do. I was actually curious what the heck this was. I haven't actually seen this product before, so it was interesting to me because it looked relatively small, but it looks like it goes up high. So there is the actual weight. I'm gonna set it to the side for now. Get paperwork. Oh, that's basically all we got in here. Just the scale. Okay. So yeet that to the side. Oops, something came off. Oh, okay, batteries, which I actually don't have on hand, so that's a little bit of a bummer. Ah, there we go. This is matte surface. Let me get this. I'm kind of curious how long the cable is. Okay, it's pretty long. Okay, so anyway, there we go. That's basically the Huawei weight. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.